Anyway, this is a beautiful chart pattern, beautiful pattern. I'm watching a descending triangle, respecting all the key levels. We're looking at that really clearly. So this an analysis I've been having for the past, I think, for the past 4-5 months. This triangle. So you can see I did it earlier on this year. So when the new year started, I did an in-depth look at this, and this a pattern I was looking at and I was seeing. So if you look really closely, what can happen, and you can see here I've written watch the momentum. So what I mean is, if you look at this first time, so just look back at history, look at what happened, and look into the future and into the present, and see what is likely to happen right now and into the future. So we had this impulse, we had that pullback, entered into a sort of consolidation triangle formation. So we had a really strong pullback that came really fast, then we consolidated. So the momentum started losing momentum to the upside, and those potential that this pair was going to drop really soon, which actually happened. So watching the momentum, how it came and slowed down. When I say watch momentum, what I really mean is at this level, you see where I've written B, we had this sort of three-pin pattern at the top, and market started dropping. That was a potential drop that market can come and drop straight down. But what happened is the market came straight down, then we had that sort of consolidation, sort of a short pullback before the market actually dropped. So watching that momentum, market didn't just drop once, it showed signs of dropping, had a pullback, then had that major drop. That's what I have also over here, because I'm still looking at the market. I'm really majorly on the monthly long term, I'm really short. So looking at this, we had that sort of strong impulse to the downside, then market started pulling back yet again, and now we're sort of consolidating there. We're not really having a move either up or down, we're just respecting a certain range in the market. So that is a momentum I'm really watching. So looking what will happen in the markets, maybe we might have, just like here, the market can come and enter this downward range yet again, and maybe test 78.6 if I enlarge on that. So maybe market might come. Remember, in the markets, it's all about having different perspectives in the markets. Not all perspectives are right. You can be right and wrong, but being prepared in advance is really key. So we might have that move, maybe touch that level yet again, maybe even just touch 61.8, but mainly maybe spike into this level before we have that major drop in the markets this down. So yes, guys, that's a video I did from that was episode 30 of Financial Hub Forex Market Breakdown. I believe that was in September or early October last year, 2019. We're currently in March 19th, I believe, 2020. And that's why you need to look at the bigger picture and break it down to the lower time frames. So that's what I had. This is now oil. You can see oil now where it's trading at $20 mark. Why I wrote watch the momentum, and you see I've had this sign here, always keeping it there, leaving it there just to remind me always to watch the momentum, is because I looked back at history, back to 2013, when market touched the trend line, dropped, then sort of had a consolidation again, and after that we had a crazy drop down to about $27 mark, had a retracement, and market now has gone down to the $20 mark. We covered this on the bootcamp last week, and we tell people, please always look at the big picture and break it down to the lower time frame. So I won't even go down, I just want you to look at this. So the market was forming lower low, lower high. Market came and broke below this previous low, which was here. You can see around here, around the $35 mark, market broke below, went down to, we spiked around $27.5 mark. Market retraced up, we had a lower high. After that, market has dropped now below to $20 level. This week alone, the market has dropped more than 50%, which is crazy. So pay attention to that. We'll do analysis on this. We'll be doing more on this on our subscription model that is coming up by the end of this month. On the 30th is when we'll be releasing it. So we'll be doing more trades on this. We'll be showing you where we enter, how we manage our trades. So at just $35 every month, we'll be showing you how we do this, and maybe you can make money along us, and we can also guide you with our teaching videos. It'll entail a lot, which will really help a lot of you people. So that's how we look at the market in the big picture time frame here at Financial Hub, and that's how we are able to make money off the Forex market.